This film was made primarily to get across the first aid concept of first help, or helping another man, and self-help, helping yourself. However, let's not ignore the accidents themselves. Errors of judgment happen and will continue to happen. At least we can learn from other people's mistakes. Take this guy. He probably could do this in his sleep. Maybe he's thinking about his daughter's wedding in a few days. Well, he's awake now, with a nasty arterial cut to boot. Remember, the only way to stop heavy bleeding is with pressure right on the wound. Self-help demands you reduce that bleeding until help arrives. Squeeze that wound and whistle for help. This fellow knows he's not a surgeon. His job here is first help. In this case, that means go right to the problem, control it, and get further aid. Right now, the key is speed and pressure. Pressure dressings like these are designed to contain heavy bleeding by pressure. Simple, and works fine, if you've got one on you.
Okay. Here, can I took that glove off? Okay, Mo, I'll try to get this shirt sleeve off. Would you make a fist off of there and push on while I try to rip it out of your waist here?
Now, if you find yourself in a situation like this without a pressure dressing, then use any fabric torn in strips as a bandage to apply the necessary pressure. With upper limb arterial cuts, one dressing is usually enough. Place the injured limb in his shirt as a kind of sling. And if he can move, help him to more specialized medical facilities. First aid for survival requires understanding a few principles. Arterial cuts bleed heavily and are dangerous unless stopped. Work where you find the man, but try to keep the injured limb up to help stem the bleeding. Pressure on the wound is the best way to stop the bleeding. Common sense will tell you that a badly cut arm shouldn't be waved around. Keep the arm secure any way you can. In the case of an upper limb cut, help support the patient and take him to further treatment.